Okay, wait, hold on. What is going on? Hey y'all, it's Courtney, also known as Coreezy, and today I'm here with YouTube to go through my watch history. I'm scared, y'all. I'm praying it's not too embarrassing. Okay, this is my watch history. I don't even know what to say. To kick this off, I'm gonna start with my recently watched videos and let's see what we find. Let's see, ooh. I was in this video. Blind, Deaf, and Mute Challenge, a train wreck. It was 3 of us, me, Doris, XG, and then Ariane Rose.
Can you shut up? The reason that I'm talking is because I'm not doing anything. No one's trying to include me.
Oh my God, wait, it's making it seem like I'm super aggressive. I promise I'm not that aggressive. I was blind, so I had to cover my eyes, and it was very scary. Every single time during the video, someone would try and touch me, and I'm just screaming and doing a lot.
Doris, stop it!
Ooh. Okay, this is something that's very weird about me, but I genuinely love watching earwax removal videos. It's just like relaxing to me, especially when they're trying to pull it from a small little hole. Yeah. ASMR, guaranteed tingles using your favorite triggers, 3 hours, no talking. ASMR Bakery. Literally, the only way I explain it is like, okay, I watch it, I get a little bit of tingles, and it feels good, and I like it. That's it. And it helps me fall asleep. YouTube is sending me on a scavenger hunt through my watch history, and I'll have 15 seconds to find the video that matches the prompt. I'm scared. A video that made you belly laugh. Oh, okay. Let me see. Belly laugh. How much time? Ooh. Okay. We Baked a Cake and Read Your Despicable Confessions by Martin.
What's up?
Me and Martin have been friends for a while. We actually met through like a mutual friend. We're hilarious people, okay? So it was just fun watching us be together and just cause chaos. A video you don't remember watching. Oh, yeah, I don't remember watching this like at all. But I mean, I like it. Like I wanna see what else are you making? Because this is 31 million views. Wow, this is a good video. A video that influenced your own content. Ooh, okay, let's see. Let me see. Ooh, okay, yeah, Keen and JC, Hunger Games. I watched this video like 9-10 years ago.
Waffle here, and I have JC, and I'm Keen Lolly.
What? They were kind of the people that inspired me starting a channel and just doing YouTube in general. Me and my friend Doris, XG, like we talked about before, we actually were obsessed with Keen and JC. We were just obsessed with like Our Second Life, all of those people. It's like getting an inside scoop into how they hang out, their inside jokes, things like that. And so I kind of wanted to do the same thing. A video you've watched multiple times. There's a lot of Danny Gonzalez videos. Oh.
Yeah, my dad is straight evil. He's a mafia boss.
Like, why is it good? Like,
An arbitrary job because I have no skills. Nepotism got me making them bills.
I've watched that video like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, 10 times.
Who needs a sugar daddy when you got a sugar dad? Unlimited allowance, no cap.
I think I tried to learn the lyrics at one point, but it's really good. So I'm gonna scroll without looking, and whatever video it lands on it. Let's go. Is that me? Wow. Vlog, Dirty December in Lagos, Nigeria, restaurants, nightlife.
We're going to Nigeria!
In this vlog, I went to Nigeria for the first time by myself. Actually, I went with a friend, but without my family. And it was a great time. You should watch it. Did I click on something? That's me again. Wait, I don't know what's going on. I baked a cake while answering your bizarre questions. I promise I'm not self-centered. I watch other videos besides my own, but I just happen to tune into every single upload, and you should too. We're scrolling. DIY sugar wax for beginners.
You can continue to wax your body with the stick, or you can take it off and use it like a regular paste.
It's actually harder than it seems. Like, you have to get it to the perfect temperature, you have to get it to the perfect color just for it to stick. And I made a video on it too. A lot of times when I'm making videos, I do watch a ton of videos beforehand just to prep. Especially with this wax video, I had to watch hella videos just to do it. How to crochet for absolute beginners. UK double, US single. Bella Coco.
Pull through, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through those 2 loops.
I wanted to have a new hobby because I feel like I don't have hobbies really. So crocheting is something that I really wanted to get into because I was like, oh, I used to like knitting and stuff in school, so maybe I can do it again. But then I realized it's actually very time consuming. If you're wondering if I actually crochet, no, I don't. I don't. Perfect background ASMR for studying, gaming, working, etc.
Perfect for homework, write a paper, study.
So it kind of makes me feel productive. Because like when I was in school, I used to watch videos of people studying, so it'll make me study. It made me feel better about, okay, I need to start studying. I need to get a study schedule going, even though I was horrible at that.
Self-study.
Yeah, so a couple years ago, I was planning on going to medical school, but I mean, obviously I didn't end up going. I'm here as a YouTuber.
Why did you want to go to medical school?
I don't know, I just felt like I was kind of supposed to. Wow, this is getting serious. This has been such a fun experience, going back and seeing all my old videos that I watched, because I just didn't expect it. Like there's some videos I forgot I even watched. There's videos that I watched like years ago, and it's nice to see like, wow, the videos that I'm interested in have completely changed. And now I kind of want to go back and see some of the old funny videos that I used to watch and just get another laugh, because I need it. If there's any videos that y'all think I would like watching, put it down in the comments down below. I want to check it out, okay? I want to expand the videos that I watch, okay?